Hey everybody, what's up? It's Kiki and welcome back for another video. Today I'm coming to show you guys how I style my own hair. And if you guys are anything like me and tired of paying stylists to do something that you can do yourself, this video is for you. I'm going to show you guys how I get my hair in these deep waves from start to finish. This wig is from West Kiss Hair, and this is how their package is. It does come with a wig cap and a satin bag to store your wig in. This is their 20-inch body wave lace frontal wig. So I'm going to deep wave my hair using this Revlon deep waver that I got from Amazon. I did not realize how big it was, but it's definitely the size that I wanted. So I'm just going to take some foaming mousse and mold out my parting and take a blow dry and blow dry that real quick. And then I'm going to separate the hair so that I can begin deep waving it from the bottom up. I find that it's easier to do this on a mannequin head than to do it on my head because my arms would be tired and I can take my time with it on my mannequin head. So I'm just going to take some Sebastian shaping spray and spray the hair, and then I'm just going to go ahead and deep wave it. And as you guys can see how I'm deep waving, you definitely want to follow the pattern of the hair because you want the waves to be uniformed. And then I'm going to finish it off with some more shaping spray just so that it can hold, and then I'm just going to repeat the process. And there's no specific time that I'm holding each section. I just hold until I feel like I need to move on. So maybe like 10-15 seconds, maybe. And I'm just going to repeat this process all over until I get to the front of the wig. So now that I'm at the front, because I don't want my waves to start at the top of my head, I am going to smooth it out with my straightening comb, mold it, tweeze out the hairline a little bit. Tint my lace with my Tailored Crowns lace tint in medium brown. And let this sit overnight. I've already prepared my hair with the ball cap method. I've done this a few times on my channel. So I'm just going to go ahead and use some Got To Be holding spray to adhere the wig to my head. And this is the method I use when I really don't plan on sleeping in the wig. I want to come home and take the wig off at night with just a spray bottle of water. And then I tie the hair down for about 10 minutes. And then I'm just going to continue to style the wig while it's on my head. Like I said, I don't want the waves to start all the way at the top of my head. And like I said before, I am trying to learn how to apply my own wig so I don't have to go to anyone else to do it. So I am going to, you know, play with my little baby hairs. And I think this is probably my best job. So the more I do it, the better I'm getting. So I'm proud of myself. Even though it's not perfect, I'm still proud of myself. So this is how my hair came out, and I am freaking loving it. Super cute. I did bleach the knots on this wig, but I am going to add a little bit of foundation to my part. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll have all of the information to Westkiss Hair in the description box and everything about this wig. I love you guys, and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.
Kiki, do you love me? Are you riding? Say you never ever leave from beside me. 'Cause I want you, and I need you, and I'm down for you always.